So today we test fitted a switch panel that we've printed instead of fabricating. So that's exciting. Here's some time lapse. Alright, here we are. This is the second, I guess third rendition now of the faceplate. Somehow it came out too long. I don't know how, because the other one was the right length and it's literally identical. So I think I may have had some issues with my printer. I may need to reprint that or test differently. But either way, it fits very nicely. Besides the fact that it's like bowed outward. If you look from the top, you can see it's not flat at all. But all the switches are nice. You can just push on them. You don't have to actually like support the back at all when you do it. You can just jam on them and they don't move. Start button works good. This here is hitting. There's a support piece on the back where the little tab is mounted to. And I tried to clearance it a little bit, but I don't think I clearanced it enough. I'm going to have to probably double up or triple up that clearance so I can actually thread the gauge in place. But for now, it's at least functional. So yeah, I got to do some research and figure out why this ended up longer. I don't know if I scaled the whole thing up by accident or what. I don't know what happened. I really don't have a clue. So yeah, I don't really know. I'm going to look into it and see if I can figure out what's going on with the printer. See if it printed wrong or what. It left some weird stringy artifacts, so I think I might have to adjust some things. I just changed my nozzle size, so I need to basically redo the whole configuration. But that's it for today. We will see you tomorrow.